Welcome to the Infinity Aura Massage Chair remote video. We're going to learn the layout of the remote and better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This chair has a remote-driven interface. This allows you to use all of the available features at just the touch of a button. This video is going to be split into 3 parts. First, we're going to start an auto program. Second, we're going to customize massage. Then third, we're going to connect our phone to the Bluetooth speakers. First, let's turn the remote on. The power button is located on the top left of the remote. When the chair is turned on, the screen will show an outline of the user. This outline is an indicator of what is currently happening with your massage chair. Every time you change something about the massage, it'll be reflected here on the screen. To the right of the power button is the Quick Program button. This will immediately start an 8-minute auto program. Perfect if you need to fit a massage into your busy schedule. Now let's take a look at the other available auto programs. In the middle of this remote, we have a set of 5 buttons that are labeled Energy, Relief, Stretch, Renew, and All Air. After you turn your chair on, when you start an auto program, the chair is going to initiate a body scanning feature. When it's finished, the chair will give you an indication noise. During this time, you can use the massage roller up and down buttons at the bottom of the remote to change where your shoulders are in the scan. This scan allows the chair to customize the massage to you. Each one of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. I recommend trying each one out and seeing what feels best for you, or varying them based on how you feel that day. Before we go into customizing your massage program, let's take a look at the buttons just below the screen. Starting with Timer, this will cycle through the different time settings of your massage. This can be used mid-massage to add or remove time from your current massage program. Next is Heat. This will turn the massage chair's lumbar heat on or off. Just below Heat is the foot roller button. This will turn on or off the foot rollers. To the left of the foot roller button is the Pause button. While the chair is active, pushing the Pause button will do just that. Pause the current program. The set of buttons just inside these buttons are the chair position adjustment buttons, starting with the top and the bottom. These are the footrest up and down buttons. And then the left and right are the backrest up and recline buttons. The button in the very middle is the zero gravity button. This will put your chair into the zero gravity position. Pressing it a second time will return you to the upright position. Now let's customize your massage program. While the massage chair is powered on, press manual on the remote. This will activate a massage technique. Repeated presses will cycle through the available techniques. There's kneading, knocking, kneading and knocking, tapping, and shiatsu. During knocking, tapping, and shiatsu, you can use the width button at the bottom of the remote. This will change the width of the rollers along your back to narrow, which will be right along your spine. There's also medium and wide. To the right of the manual button, there is a back zone button. While the chair is in manual mode, you can use this button to change the roller zone. Pressing once will set the rollers to full back, which will use the entirety of the L track. Pressing a second time will change to partial, keeps the rollers along an 8 to 10 inch area of the L track. And then a third press will put the rollers into point mode, which keeps the rollers along one spot on the L track. During the partial or point modes, you can use the massage roller buttons to move the rollers to an area or point you want the chair to focus on. The final adjustment you can make with the massage rollers is with the roller speed adjustment buttons. Using these will increase or decrease the speed of the rollers, changing up its intensity. Now to adjust the airbags, all we have to do is push the air zone button to the left of the manual button. Pushing this once will set the airbags to foot. Second push will set the airbag zone to legs. A third push will do both feet and legs. The fourth is for arms. The fifth is shoulders. Then if you cycle through to a sixth push, this turns the airbags off. If you want to set all of the airbag zones on, you'll need to push the All Air program button. Now the airbags have different levels of intensity. This is the amount that the airbags are filled up. Use the airbag adjustment buttons to inflate or deflate the airbags on the massage chair accordingly. Now finally, the Infinity Aura has a built-in Bluetooth speakers. To connect your phone to your Aura massage chair, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth settings in your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled device. Find your massage chair in the list of available Bluetooth devices. The chair should then show up under Connected Devices. Now you'll be able to play audio through your massage chair just like you would any other Bluetooth-enabled speaker or headphones. Now that we are done with this remote tutorial, you should be able to better control and customize your Aura massage chair.